to my channel. So excited for today's video because I'm going to share with you my Christmas decoration for this year. I'm going to share with you my Christmas tree, my entryway, my entry table, and a few areas that I have in my house that I really love, that I decorate for Christmas, and I'm so excited for that. Hopefully you can take some inspiration from this video. But first, today's video is sponsored by Cricut, so a huge thank you to them. I'm going to share with you some DIYs that and all of this is about my new hobby, books. I have been reading a lot, and it's a new hobby that I have that I really love and that I enjoy so much. So I thought it could be a really cool idea if I make some really fun DIYs using my Cricut. So we're going to start on that. Let's make some DIYs and then we can start walking through my house to see my Christmas decoration for this year. I started a new hobby that I have been doing for a few months since summer, and that I really love, and that is reading book. It's something that I have never done before, and what makes it even special is that my family have been reading with me. Each of us have a book that we love. It's a time that we share as a family, something cool and different. I don't know, we really love it. I have a bookshelf and everything, and I want to make something for each of us, and that is a bookmark. So I'm going to be using my Cricut to make this project. Each of the books have a very different theme and everything, and I love to have one bookmark for each of my books. I think that makes the whole reading experience just so much better. I don't know why, but I really love it, so I decided to make one for me. This is a very personalized bookmark that I did. It says my name. It has a wildflower, a daisy. It's my favorite flower, so I thought it was really cool, and I love how it turned out. I also did one for each of my family, but I'm gonna share with you one that I did for my son, that I think is really cool because he is a gaming boy. He loves games and all of that stuff, and I want to make a bookmark that can be very personalized but a little bit related with what he's reading right now. So I just used some like cardboard, and I made another bookmark completely different from mine, and the most special part was when I give it to him. He thought it was perfect, and I was just so glad and so happy, and I was able to make this project in just minutes with my Cricut, so that's even better. If you are a book lover, or if you are like me, I just love to read everywhere, no matter where I am. So I keep my books all the time with me, and I thought making a tote bag to put my books inside was a really cool idea. So I did that. I used some iron-on for this project, and I just stick that to my tote bag. It's super beautiful. It has the book and the wildflowers. It's perfect for me, and I love this project so much. And another project that I'm going to be making that is super cool and simple is a cozy oversized t-shirt. I can use this when I'm going to sleep or when I'm reading in my nook area. I just love it so much. It's cozy, special, and this is just one more chapter, which I think I'm always saying, because I love to read and I love books, and I just love how these turn out. If you want to make these simple DIYs, if you want the perfect tool for you, or maybe you want to gift something to a creative person, the Cricut is the perfect gift. So you can check in the description. I'm going to leave you the link for Cricut.com. You can check there and just make these holidays even special in every sense. Okay, now that I share all of my DIYs, let's get started sharing with you my Christmas decoration. This is my entryway. This is what you see right when you open my door. So I have this wall art piece that I have for a very long time. I just leave it like that. Usually I change that for Christmas, but I was a little bit lazy this year, so I just leave it there because it's super close to the dining table, so it works just fine. Now I have this Christmas tree. Is block. It's a pencil tree, and it's perfect for this small area because it's my entryway. I really want this to be super simple, so I just add a few ribbon pieces. The color is burgundy. This is the color that I'm using this year. I used the same color last year, but I completely changed all of the areas, so I'm really happy how it turns out. I just add a few pieces of ribbon there. Now I add my Christmas stockings here, and this is super different because usually I put them hanging on my mantel close to the fireplace, but I changed my living room. I'm going to show you really quick how it looks. But I don't know, I decided, hey, if I have 4 hanging pieces here, and we are a family of 4, why not? Now, on this area, I have a bench here that I have for a very long time. It's like a wooden bench. And I just put some pillows here. One is ivory or like cream. And the other one is a small one. I think it's from fall. And I just put a big cover that I just have folded like this. Nobody has to know. And a small clock Christmas tree here too. And I think it matched really well. And on the bottom part, I have like a basket with a lot of greenery using the same colors and a lantern. Now let's go for the entry table that is just right in front of me. This is one of my favorite parts of the house. I don't know, I love how it looks. Let me show you. Can you see me there? Yeah. Okay guys, so this is my entry table. I have a huge mirror here that I got, I think, from Burlington. I add a Christmas garland on top, and it has some pine cones. And for the decoration, I went super simple, but I love how it turned out because it's something different. So I add a big wall art piece. It's a bear that I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance so many years ago, and I decided to put it here because I think it matched with the theme that I'm going for. Then I add a vase here with more greenery and berries, and a few pieces of decoration, some hanging bells, and that is a very simple decoration that you can try, just some ornaments inside of like a basket or a vase. And on the bottom part of the entry table, I have a basket with throw blanket and a throw pillow and a small stool that I have from Five Below. And that's it. Super simple, but I love how that part of my house turned out. It's the first thing that you see when you walk through, so I'm so happy with that. Okay, now welcome to my living room. Ta-da! It's super small, but we make it work. So yeah, let me show you really quick how my Christmas tree turned out. This is my Christmas tree. I have these for like 3 years, and it's a slim Christmas tree. So it's a little bit different from what you normally see, but it works perfect for this space. The tree, you can change the colors of the Christmas tree and everything, so I really love it. It's from Sam's Club. I don't remember how much it cost, so sorry about that. Hopefully you can see better the small touches that it has. It has some branches here. These are a DIY that I made. I have some berries too on the Christmas tree, and they're different because the color is like a burgundy. Hopefully you can see it well. It's like a burgundy color, not red, so that's different. And I got them from Hobby Lobby. These branches from Hobby Lobby too. These ornaments, Walmart. These are from Always 99. This is a store from Puerto Rico. This too. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, this too. It looks beautiful, and it's from Always 99 too. The burgundy ribbons are from Hobby Lobby, and also these stars from Hobby Lobby. For the skirt of the tree, I used just a blanket and I put it around the Christmas tree, and I moved a few things in my house because I used to have this fire stove on the bottom part of my mantle over there. But this year I got an accent chair, so to be able to put the Christmas tree here, I have to move a few things. So I put my fire stove here, and it just works perfect because it's close to the Christmas tree, and I love it. It's not huge, and it doesn't take a big area in my house, so it works just fine. I turn it on. It's from Walmart, and it's beautiful. You can put the heat on, but no thank you, not right now because I'm sweating. It's so hot right now here in Puerto Rico, so. This is my TV console table, and for decoration I just add a garland on the front part of my TV, and I add some of like these berries to make it match with like the rest of the decoration. Then a few small houses here. I think they're from Target dollar spot, maybe, I don't know, I don't remember. A small Christmas tree there. I have like an open space here, so I just add some basket with more greeneries, a belief sign, and I have another very small Christmas tree here on the, yeah, you can see it there. Yeah, it's super small, but it adds the perfect touch. Now in front of me I have my mantle. This is how it turns out. It is a wooden mantle that we DIY. I just add a garland and a few of these like eucalyptus branches to make it a little bit more fuller, and it matches really well with the Christmas tree that we have here. So I add a DIY wall art piece, this beautiful horse here that I got from my thrift store, and some candle holders here, a set of 3, a small vase with some branches, and this thing that I have no idea how it's called. But yeah, that's it. And on the bottom part of the mantle we have like the small nook area that I decorate. I have my accent chair, throw blanket, this small table that I DIY. This is a Santa cam that the kids love to put. Yeah, this is where I read my books, and I think that's basically it. So guys, this is how my Christmas decoration looks. Hopefully you like it and that you can maybe take some inspiration. If you like it, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you check in the description box the links, because I'm going to leave you some links there that maybe you can use. Also the Cricut.com link in case you need a gift for someone special. I'm going to leave you that there. And yeah, thank you so much for the love and support. Mwah. See you in the next one. Bye.